Hey, Dan Lehman here, and we have an exciting announcement. Our channel is growing and we're expanding our team. So you can expect to see a couple new faces on the channel creating content alongside of me. Let's meet them.
Hey everyone, Alex Noles from Australia here, and I'm super excited to share with you content on this channel. I'll be focusing on work management tools, form builders, integrations, automations, and a whole lot more. I'm lucky to have been able to work with the platforms I preach, so I'm excited to share with you my experience and expertise. But enough about me. Let's introduce you to Caio.
Hello everyone, I'm Caio Calderari from Brazil. On this channel, I'll be covering content around no-code tools and app builders, also leveraging my background as a designer. I've written a book on Bubble, and over the past few years, I've recorded more than 300 videos on various no-code tools, such as Webflow, Software, Bubble of course, and many more. Feel free to leave a comment down below and suggest video ideas so Alex, Dan, and I can create more amazing content for you. Now, over to Dan.
Automation Helpers is entering a new phase with new content, tips, and tutorials to help you
Automate your business.